Hello, welcome back. Okay, you're in lesson 5 of construct tree. Alright, so for lesson 5, this is what we're gonna do. Alright, okay, let me just click on preview and let you see, okay, what is it that we are going to create for lesson 5. If you can see, alright, we have a grassy background. Okay, this is taken from the internet, and I will teach you how to do that. And when the enemy, okay, touches the player, okay, there will be a sign which says you lose. Okay, but of course, right, if you manage to keep yourself alive for the next 2 minutes, all right, then you will see the okay, you won sign. So if I can, okay, keep myself survive for the next 2 minutes, all right, and I will have this sign, okay, I win. All right, I think for lesson 4 we end our lesson here. Okay, I believe we already did the timer, and I think the event sheet we did cover. All right, how to create a global variable, and then okay, with regards to the collision, okay, to the player, and then the player will destroy it, and also we put in the weight system, okay, and of course how to actually restart layout. Okay, so for today, okay, I'm going to add on to this okay, to this game, okay, where we will have, okay, a sign, okay, to show if you have won the game or you will need to try again. Okay, so there are 2 ways of doing it. Okay, you can do it from scratch, or you can actually import it from the internet. Okay, but I'm going to teach you how to do your own sign, okay, with regards to you win or you lose. Okay, so as what we have already done previously, okay, what we need to do is, okay, right click, insert new object. All right, sprite, and like I always said, okay, it is a good habit to name your sprite. So this one will be you lose, okay, or maybe I'm not going to say you lose, maybe I will try to put it as try again. Okay, try again. Okay, and then insert. Okay, you can still remember how to do this. All right, so the next thing that we need to do is, okay, we are going to, okay, fill in color. All right, of course, from what you see over here, the color which is selected is black, so we are going to choose, maybe I'm going to use red, okay, for the word try again. Okay, so once I already selected the red color, okay, I will just click on, okay, onto this square box. Okay, but I'm not going to use the whole of the square box. Okay, I'm only going to use half of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim. Okay, so I'm going to use this. All right, rectangle select. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to click, and then, okay, click hold, or your left mouse button, and then hold. Okay, once you selected at least half of the square, let go. And then what you need to do is press the delete button on your keyboard. All right, next, just, okay, we'll just crop it using this okay, tools. Okay, I'm going to use the brush tools, okay, to write down the words here. Okay, write down the words try again. Okay, but I am going to use a contrasting color, because what happens that, okay, just now you selected the red color, so you will not see it appear here. Okay, red on red you won't be able to see. So what you need to do is find something, okay, which is contrasting. Okay, maybe I'll just use yellow, right? And I think this is a bit too thick. Alright, if I were to put my cursor over here, you can see that it's quite thick, so I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, maybe 6. Yeah, I think that should be just fine. So I'm going to write it down. Okay, write it using my mouse. Okay, it need not be perfect, right? Okay, sometime, okay, if you alright, do it a bit you know, odd or something which is funny looking, it can be, alright, it can be fun, okay, to look at. Okay, so try AGAIN. Okay, and you can add on a pattern here, up to you what you did that you want to do. Okay, I think that's cool. Alright, so I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to click on close. Okay, so I'll have try again, okay, somewhere here. Okay, so I'm going to do another one. Okay, I want to, okay, use the same size, okay, but of course I'm going to have a different color and the different wordings on it. Okay, so what I need to do is right click. I'm going to clone this, alright, and then click on the plus button. Okay, so you will need to change here. Okay, rather than try again, okay, let us just change here to you win. Okay, enter. Okay, now what we need to do is just double click, okay, and it will go to the editor. So what we need to change now, alright, will be the background and the text. Okay, so we are going to again use the fill bucket. This time around, change it to something green. Okay, but of course, alright, I leave it to you what color that you want to use. Alright, so I'm going to change it to green. What I need to do is just click on it, okay, to fill it up. Okay, so that I have green. Okay, and I'm going to use, maybe I'm going to use, okay, the same color. Okay, okay, I'm going to use yellow. Okay, the same one that I used just now. Right, maybe the color will be a bit different. Okay, but I think it should be alright. Okay, so I'm going to write down the word you win. Okay, make it look a bit more fun. Alright, not too serious, and then a very big, okay, exclamation mark over here. Okay, sort of like to celebrate your victory. Okay, so I think this is good. Alright, and I'm going to close it, and there you go. Alright, so you can just okay, just put it here first. Okay, what you need to do first, alright, because we do not want to have this sign to appear when you start with the game. So what you need to do is just click on you win first. Okay, drag down, and then go to initially visible. Okay, you make it unchecked. Alright, it means that when it start, okay, you won't be able to see this. Okay, and then do the same with the try again. Okay, scroll down and then uncheck. Alright, okay, so when you play the game, okay, let us just see whether does this work. Okay, click on the preview. Okay, so you will see that, okay, the sign, alright, is not visible. Okay, but if your enemy were to touch the player, okay, the sign is still not visible. So we are going to do something about this. Okay, let us just close. Okay, let us just go to the event sheet. Alright, so what we need to do is, okay, on this event, okay, we are going to do something. So what we are going to do is under add action, okay, your try again, click on that, and then what you need to do is set visible over here under appearance. So set visible, and then next, and then done. Okay, but it shouldn't be right at the bottom. Okay, we want it to immediately, okay, show when the player, okay, is on collision with the enemy. So what we need to do is we are going to move this, okay, right below the player destroy line. Okay, so click on it and hold, and then drag up. Okay, so what happened over here? All right, so it will give the system 3 seconds to reset the global variable and then restart the layout. Okay, so what it means is that, okay, it will be visible, the try again will be visible for about 3 seconds. All right, so after the 3 seconds is over, system will reset the whole thing, the timer especially, and then it will restart the layout. Okay, let us see, okay, how this works. Okay, so I'll just try myself to run. Can you see that? Okay, and then after 3 seconds, okay, the sign will, okay, disappear. So again, if let's say if it touches my player, the word try again will appear again. Yeah, okay, so it works. Yeah, okay. So what are we going to do with the U1? Okay, so what you need to do, all right, when the system, okay, let me see, okay, when the timer reaches 0, okay, then you will see the, okay, you won sign appear. So what we need to do is again add action, you win, next, okay, set visible, next, okay, visible, done. So again, this needs to be on top. Okay, if it's at the bottom, what happens that after, okay, it reset the global variable, and then when it restart the layout, then the uwin will appear. We do not want that to happen. So what we are going to do is we are going to bring this, okay, right to the top, okay, and it should work. Okay, so for the benefit of this demo, okay, I'm going to change the global, okay, variable over here with regards to the timer, because 120 is a bit too long for me to, okay, demo to you. So I'm going to reduce, all right, it from 120 to maybe 20 seconds. All right, okay, but later on I will just change it back to 120. Okay, this is just for me to demo to you. All right, so click on preview. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to, okay, survive for the next 20 seconds. Okay, and see whether the you win, okay, sign, does it pop up. Okay, I think, okay, I'm gonna win this. Oh, okay, so what happened over here is that, all right, we did not actually put in, okay, a time frame for it to appear. Okay, so what we need to do is we are going to change that, okay, now. So over here, okay, add action, all right, and then go to system, scroll down right to the bottom, and then put in wait. Okay, so how long do you need it to wait? Maybe just put it as 3 seconds. I think that should be good enough, like what we did over here. All right, so we want the system to wait 3 seconds for this. Okay, we want your uwin, okay, to appear for about 3 seconds, and then it will reset and restart. Okay, so again, okay, this needs to go up. Right, so click on it, hold, and then drag up. Okay, so what this say, when the timer reaches 0, okay, uwin will appear, and it will appear for about 3 seconds, and then the system and the layout will restart. Okay, let us just try. Okay, let me try again. Okay, so I think I should win this, and there you go. Okay, all right. There is one more thing that we need to do. Okay, so we want to make sure that, okay, your enemy, okay, will not actually still chase you after the timer is after the timer reaches 0. So what we need to do is add action again. Okay, enemy, okay, will be destroyed. Okay, just to make sure. All right, so that, okay, you will win this game. So put it somewhere around here, right on top. Okay, timer reaches 0, enemy destroyed, and then the you win sign come up. It will be there for about 3 seconds, and then, okay, the game will restart. All right. Okay, so I think this is pretty much easy for you to follow. All right. Okay, so I'll see you in lesson 6. This time around, we are going to add in, okay, some items, all right, for your player to collect, and we will have, okay, a scoring system with regards to that. Okay, I'll see you again in lesson 6. Bye bye.